Herdmanston Lodge today. It's a little overcast. No, let's go up to the front. So nice over here. Look at this property. What is this place? I believe this is the Brazilian Cultural Center. Yeah. And this is the Herdmanston Lodge over here. This is the old part. And this is the new part. No, buddy, we're okay. Gates are locked, so we gotta find security. Over and out.